This video is about my STEAM project. STEAM is science, technology, engineering, art, and math. My project is in the STEAM field of art, and my project is about 3D design. I use the scientific method to do my project. The first step of the scientific method is to ask a question. What question is your project going to be based around? The second step is to do a bit of research on your topic. This is so you can have a bit of background information. The next step is to make a hypothesis. You are guessing what a possible answer to your question could be. Next, you have to test your hypothesis so you can know whether it is correct or not. Then, you analyze your results. Was your hypothesis correct or incorrect? Finally, you can make your conclusion. The question for my project was, how fast can you learn 3D design? I did some research and found that 3D modeling can be used for many different things. It can be used to make designs to 3D print. People use it to make characters in landscapes and video games. Architects use 3D modeling sometimes. Animators use it to get 3D looking animation. My hypothesis is that it will be easy to learn the basics of Blender, which is the 3D modeling software I'm using, but hard to learn all of the tools because of how complex it is. Next, I tested my hypothesis. So I could learn how to use Blender, I used a donut tutorial to learn how to make a donut. Then, I tried to design a dragon on my own, mostly using the Sculpt tool. From my experience using Blender, it wasn't too hard to learn the basic tools, but to get something more detailed takes a lot of time. There are a lot of different things to learn about Blender. My conclusion is that 3D modeling is fun to learn, but it can be used for a lot of different things, like careers or just for fun. I think that it would take at least a few months to get really good at it though. That is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed learning about 3D designing.